Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick review. This is the vanity that I just recently purchased from Amazon. It's the Vasagle vanity table set with round mirror, two large sliding drawers, makeup dressing table with cushioned stool, sold by Songmike's Direct. Long name, but that's the exact name that you'll find it listed under. On the Amazon app or website, however you purchase it. It retails for $169.99. Comes in two colors, black and then white. Of course, as you can see, I got the black one, but it is super duper cute, you guys. I love it. So it's got two drawers. They're a pretty nice size. I know it's hard to see because it's black, but it's got two nice size drawers. And then it also came with the stool. So yeah, it's a cushioned stool. It's not, you know, the best seating, but it'll work. I'm gonna work with it until I replace it. It'll do. But yeah, that is the vanity. Super duper cute. I'm about to put some lights on it. Actually, hold on. Let me grab the lights and show you. So, Bright Town Hollywood mirror lights. I just need to show you guys what's in the box really quick. Because I don't know, I haven't actually. Okay, so you've got power cord. I'm assuming that this is like the dimmer, I guess. And then the actual lights. Is there 10 of them? Yeah, there are 10 of them. Out the box. So, okay, so they've got adhesive on the back already. So I guess all you have to do is peel the adhesive off, stick them to your mirror, and I'm gonna have to find a way to kind of hide this cord once I put it on there so that it's not super visible. But that's all that's in there. Yeah. That's it. So let me put these on really quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have attached the lights to the mirror. And as you can see, there is a lot of extra cord, which I guess isn't a bad thing. If your mirror's bigger than the mirror that I have, you want to be able to space them out, you know, as much as you need to in order to get them to completely cover the mirror. But it's a lot of extra cord. Let me show you. So it's got this little power thing. It's kind of just like press it, ooh, super bright, and it comes on, press it again, and it goes off. If you hold it, it will dim the lights. And I think there are maybe 10. I'll have to check and look at the instruction manual again, but I think there are 10 different settings for the lights. But that's what they look like right now. I'm gonna take care of these cords. I think I'm just gonna tape them to the back of the mirror just to kind of get them out the way, and I'll be back again. All right guys, so I am back and this is the finished product. Oh my freaking goodness. Just look at that. You can't even really see where the wires were. But wait, let me show you what I did with them. So yeah, I literally taped the extra wire on the back of the mirror, like ghetto as but. If someone turns this around and looks at the back of this, they're gonna be like, WTF, because this is crazy. But I would rather have them back there looking janky as hell than to have them just sitting on the front. So look at that. So freaking awesome. Anyway, that is it, you guys. That's the vanity, the lights, like the whole shebang. I'll try to list everything down below. I purchased everything from Amazon, the vanity, the lights. It came with the stool. But that's it. That's my new vanity. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.